Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's video is going to be about the phrase, the road to hell is paved with good intentions. Before I begin, please subscribe and inshallah you'll get good deeds for it. So, this phrase basically means that when people do good, they tend to have, they tend to create more evil, or that they tend to go through problems. And here's the thing, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He created His dunya as a test, right? And He created Jannah as a reward and Jahannam as a punishment. Now yes, in this dunya we will face problems, but the thing is that we're supposed to keep in mind that the next life is where we are supposed to get most of our happiness. Yes, we can enjoy stuff in this life, but can you really compare 100 years, let's be generous, 100 years compared to the infinite amount of years that is Jannah? And another thing we should remember is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He gives us rewards, He rewards us with good deeds based off of our intention. That means that even if what you intended to do was good and it turned out bad, you made that intention, so you're gonna get that reward. And the thing is, we should remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He is the best of judges. He is the one who decides, who knows everything. He can give perfect justice. So don't feel that. So whenever something goes bad, or whenever something fails and you made an intention, don't feel like you failed. Make dua, try again, learn from your mistakes, but don't feel like you failed. And don't feel like your small good deeds, those things are not worth it. You need every single good deed you can get. This life is limited, and what's unlimited is Jannah and Jahannam. So make an intention to strive for those things. And if you die on the way, on trying to get to Jannah, then inshallah you'll go to Jannah. And make it your intention that you will try to go to Jannah, even if what ends up happening is you crash and burn. You crash and burn trying to do a good deed, and that's good. And everything that happens in this life doesn't matter, because in the end everything's going to be destroyed. What matters is your good deeds. And we should remember this thing so we can remind ourselves whenever we face failure, that failure is not defined by this life. Failure and success, it's defined by the next life and what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chooses. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khairan kaseera for watching. Please subscribe and inshallah you'll get good deeds for it.